Erin here from Three Birds Renovations, and I'm at a house that we've renovated. Now, the vision for this property was a Mediterranean style, and in order to bring that to life, we knew we wanted the exterior of the property to have a beautiful textured rendered finish. We chose to go with the Dulux Acratex system, both externally and internally, to give us the beautiful rough textured finish that we love. For the exterior substrate, we used Exsuilte foam. It's really lightweight and has great insulation properties. The Dulux Acratex system consists of a 3-step process. Step 1, render. Step 2, texture. Step 3, top coat. The Dulux Acratex AcraSkin. What's great is the top coat is available in all Dulux colours. We've used it in White Dune Quarter. The Acratex Texture coating system delivers long-term protection for a wide range of building substrates. It is highly flexible and has crack bridging protection. It has weatherproofing performance against atmospheric and climate conditions, including coastal conditions like this property. It's mold and dirt resistant and has a 15-year material system warranty. It's really important to discuss and brief your builder what kind of texture finish you want before the job begins, because there is so much variety. Head online to find out more.